Here I have Motorola Moto G34, and today I'm going to show you how to enter recovery mode on this device. So to do this, firstly you should turn your device off, and after it turns off completely, hold down combination power key plus volume down at the same time like this. In the following menu, using volume keys to navigate and power key to select an option recovery mode. When you see this screen with laying down Android and no command, hold down power key and press volume up once and you will end up in recovery mode. So here, just like in the previous mode, you can use volume keys to navigate and power key to select. And you have such options as reboot system now, reboot to bootloader, enter fastboot, apply update from ADB, apply update from SD card, wipe data factory reset, mount system, view recovery logs, run graphics test, run local test, and power off. So when you're done using this mode, just select an option reboot system now to quit it. It will restart your device, or power off to power it off. And it will be restarted as usual. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.